Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to outline an image in Canva in a simple way. First, open Canva and create a new design or open your existing project. Now, add your image. Place the image on your Canva canvas and adjust its size so it fits your design. Next, click on the image to select it. If your image has a background, remove it for better results. Go to Edit Photo and use Magic Grab if you have Canva Pro, or choose Background Remover. This will separate the subject from the background. After that, keep the subject selected. Again, go to Edit Photo and open the Shadows section. Here, you will find different shadow effects. Now choose the Outline option. This will create a border around your subject. You can adjust the size, blur, and color of the outline to match your design. Thanks for watching.